If you're anything like me, Halloween isn't just a holiday. It's a lifestyle choice. And apparently, I'm not the only one with plastic pumpkins on the brain year-round. The 3D printing community has already started churning out spooky designs faster than you can say, boo. I mean, just feast your eyes on these eerily amazing designs. So is it too early to start decorating? Pfft, if you're asking that question, you're already behind. Remember, every day is Halloween if you're brave enough. Or, if you have enough filament. And for those of you thinking, but it's only September. Let me remind you that being prepared for Halloween is like being prepared for a zombie apocalypse. You can never start too early, and you can never have too many plastic skulls. So grab your pumpkin spice latte, or your witch's brew, no judgment here. Fire up those printers and let's turn your home into a 3D printed haunted paradise. I've dropped links in the description to all the models shown today. Of course, I'd love to hear what you end up printing. Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you can, share a picture. I'm always curious to see how everyone's prints turn out. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Share it with your fellow filament addicts and subscribe for more 3D printing inspirations. Until next time, may your beds be level and your supports easy to remove. And happy printing!